Make sure all items inside the box are present, including the roll film, an accessory box. Remove the protective foam. Lift the printer out of the box. Place it on a table. We will provide a set of ink and powder. However, these supplies will be shipped separately from the machine. Check the printer, roll film, and accessory box. Inspect the equipment for any shipping damage. If you find any issues, contact after-sales support immediately for assistance. Note: inspection is necessary before adding ink. If there are any missing parts, please contact the after-sales staff in a timely manner. According to regulations in different regions, ink will be shipped separately as a package. Please be patient. Remove the anti-collision lock. It can effectively protect the ink carriage and ensure safety during transportation. Remove the warning labels and tags. Ink carriage latches removed. Connect the data cable of the printer. Turn on the power. The power indicator and temperature panel will light up. This is the one-click ink guide button. Press and hold the one-click ink guide button for tins. Ink will be extracted automatically for 45 seconds. The print head moves while the power button flashes, indicating the printer is working properly. If the printer does not respond, contact after-sales support immediately. When the power button stops flashing, you can proceed to the next step. Film rewind button. Press and hold to rewind the film. Film forward button. Press and hold to advance the film. Circulation button. Click and activate the white ink circulation. Delete button. Press and hold during printing to delete the print task. Paper button. Click to run a print test. Ink drop button. Press and hold until the power button flashes to activate print head cleaning. When the button stops flashing, cleaning is complete. Power button. Click to turn the printer on and off. Power switch, the main power control. To install the acrylic board, you can install the screw with fingers. Unscrew the 4 screws to install the roll film bracket. Make sure you install it in correct direction. The side with the roller should face inwards. Fix the 2 screws for the bracket. Do the same for the other one. Roll film bracket installed. Take out the roll film and check the introduction. Remove the packaging. Loosen the screw on the roll film plugs. Fix the roll film plug on the rod. Fix the screws. Put the roll film on the bracket. The arrow on the film should toward the printer. Pass the rod through the roll film. Make sure the plug's fixed. Install the other side plug. Fix the screws. Fix the plugs. The roll film is ready. Put the roll film on the bracket. Loose the 2 screws on the front. Just loosen without removing the screws. Put on the tray and cutter. Remove the tape on the cutter. The arrow on the film should toward the printer. Put inside the printer. Feed the film with finger, then press the feed button on the front. Move out the roll film and ensure neither side scratches the frame. Log in Procolored official website to download software and drivers. Select your printer. Download both files, insert the printer USB cable, and dongle red USB flash drive. The device needs to be powered on, with blue light staying on steadily. Open the downloaded driver and install it. Just follow the prompts to install. Extract the installation program from the download files. Extract the installation program from the download files. Double-click the installer to begin the installation. If a permission prompt pops up, please click Yes or Allow when using the RIP software. The dongle USB needs to be constantly connected to the computer. The normal loading of this interface indicates that the printer driver and RIP software have been installed properly. Open the Procolored Studio software and import any picture onto the canvas. Then click Print to perform an empty print to check and confirm that the printer is operating normally. Once the job is processed, the printer will start printing. The ink carriage starts moving to print, indicates the printer is operating normally. If printing stops unexpectedly or the red light appears contact after sales support. When the ink carriage stops and the power button's blue light is steady, the printing is complete. It uses CMYK and white ink, 5 colors, and this is the moisturizing liquid. Do not use ink manufactured over 6 months ago. Open the right side panel of the printer. Add white ink to W, add yellow ink to Y, add magenta to M, add black ink to K, add blue ink to C. Before adding ink, check the label on the bottle and shake it vigorously to make it well mixed. Open the ink bottle and remove the sealing film. Open the white ink bottle and place a funnel on top. Pour in the white ink until the bottle is about 70% full. Wrap paper around the funnel when removing it to avoid spills. Close the ink bottle cap. Repeat the same steps to add yellow, magenta, black, and cyan inks. Once all inks are added, close the side cover and turn on the printer. After the printer starts, press and hold the one-click ink guide button for more than 10 seconds. After 4 to 5 seconds, the one-click ink guide button will start flashing, indicating that ink guiding has begun. Ink will automatically be drawn from the bottles through the tubes into the ink dampers. The printer will run a print head cleaning after the automatical ink guide. When the cleaning is complete, the ink carriage will move back to the right corner and stop, press and hold the ink button for 5 seconds to run a print head, cleaning one more time. Wait until the power button stops flashing. This means the cleaning process is finished, and you've finished all ink filling tasks. Open the printer software, click Clean Nozzle, and the printer will automatically clean the print head. The ink cart starts moving and then discharges the waste ink from the waste ink pipe. The constant illumination of the power indicator button indicates that the cleaning is complete. Then click Print Test Stripe. The printer will print a nozzle check test page, perform head cleaning and print nozzle inspection once a day to confirm the condition of the print head. If the print head is in poor condition, please contact the after-sales staff. If the lines on the test page are completed, it indicates that the print head is in good condition, and then you can start printing the pattern. Click to import the picture you want to print onto the canvas. If the image has a large number of blank borders, use the cropping tool to crop the blank part of the image to preserve the colored part of the image. Then press Enter. Modify the values of X and Y to place the image on top of the canvas. Adjust the W or H values according to your needs to set the image size. You can use inch or mm units depending on your habits. If your image has white, you can switch to a gray canvas to preview the white. Click Print, and the software will send the print job to the printer. Printing begins. The blue power light steady indicates printing is complete. After printing is finished, long press the paper out button, cut the film paper with a cutter. Note, the white ink has not cured yet. Do not touch the design. Printing complete. Check the oven's exterior. The lid and drawer should open easily. Make sure the oven voltage matches the local voltage. Plug in the power cord of the oven. Turn on the power. The numbers on the top indicate heating temperature. The numbers on the bottom indicate heating time. Up in the time area means it is still in heating. You can adjust the timing setting. The down button is to lower the temperature. The up arrow is used to adjust the temperature setting. Click the ICT in the temperature area again to save the settings. Click ICT in the time setting area, adjust the timing for the curing oven. Click the down button to decrease the baking time. Click the up button to increase the baking time. Click Set again to save the settings. The default temperature is OK for general use. When the up change to digital value means heating completed, apply adhesive powder to the white ink side of the printed design shake-off. Excess powder on the film. Open the accessory box that comes with the oven. Wear gloves to prevent burns while operating the oven. Open the oven drawer. Place the design with the white ink side facing up. Put it inside the oven. Then press and hold the start button. An alarm will sound when the countdown ends. Press and hold the start button to stop the alarm. Open the oven drawer. Take out the bake design. Check if the powder on the back of the design has melted. An orange peel texture indicates successful baking. Press the button to open the heat press. Place the garment to be transferred on the heat press and smooth it out. Press for 3 seconds to flatten the garment. Place the bake design with the adhesive powder side facing down on the garment. Place a Teflon sheet over the film. Start the heat press. Set temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Heat press for 35 seconds. Wait for the countdown to finish. When the countdown ends, the heat press will automatically open. Remove the Teflon sheet. Take out the garment after heat pressing. It is recommended to use a glass block to cool down. Once the design has cooled, slowly peel off the film along the edges of the design. Pattern transferring onto t-shirt is complete.